don't like you people creepy, no my business ngena P. Yeah bakhuluma kakhulu, hate to give them peppermint. Only reason why I hate negotiating namalim. The shit they tricky now and then, but when I speak uzozwa me. No chill on nigga, yeah, you can put that on the list. I don't buckle up and fight for none, I won't clench my fist. I want W's and W's and W's on me. Ungazofrazeke kakhulu, get your L and let it be. Sifela ubala banomona basazosha bazobona kusancane lokhu dogo uyozufisa ukubona ithongo. When I get up in my zone ngizodanasa ngisazomosha. Phethe umdala eduze kwami ngivele ngibika ngidinga ukufona. Funa ukuthini dog insizwa ngibhubesi ngicela ukubona. See you try to use some medicine on me bavele ukhohlwa. Mnika isandla funa ingalo umnika isiqhika funa usofa. I'm a little bit cocky ngiyasithanda ngiyasitshela. I'm a saver ngithanda ukudive ngathi ukhipha. I'm a save ilinda mina ngisazokhipha. I'm a save ngithanda ukudive ngathi ukhipha. I'm a save ilinda mina ngisazokhipha. I don't like you people creepy, no my business ngena P. Yeah bakhuluma kakhulu, hate to give them peppermint. Only reason why I hate negotiating namalim. The shit they tricky now and then, but when I speak uzozwa me. No chill on nigga, yeah, you can put that on the list. I don't buckle up and fight for none, I won't clench my fist. I want W's and W's and W's on me. Ungazofrazeke kakhulu, get your L and let it be. I'm a nigga from the H dog, emahlabathini. Pull up on me tryna square dog, uzokhala me. Phethe umlilo we-big Nas, yeah, shout out to my bitch. We be moving so precisely, azwani namavili. Want a big house, nigga triple story ngifuna ivili. Nale ngane yangilandela dog isicefe ngathi umsile. Tryna make me beg and plead for your attention, ngizokhwif. I be laughing, ngithanda ukuhleka ngewukubone loko siphi. I'm a saver, ngithanda ukudive ngathi ukhipha. I'm a save ilinda mina ngisazokhipha. I'm a save ngithanda ukudive ngathi ukhipha. I'm a save ilinda mina ngisazokhipha. I don't like you people creepy, no my business ngena P. Yeah bakhuluma kakhulu, hate to give them peppermint. Only reason why I hate negotiating namalim. The shit they tricky now and then, but when I speak uzozwa me. No chill on nigga, yeah,